Guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Briana Marie, and I'm back with another makeup tutorial. Okay, so if y'all want to see how I shoot this beat, y'all, this is the beat. This is the beat, but it's like a one eyeshadow, well, actually two shadows, smoky kind of eye. I tried to do, okay, but it's just everything that you need to know is in this tutorial. Okay, so if y'all want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep watching.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Okay, my guys, let's get into this look. It's been a long time, y'all, and I just powdered my brows with. Okay, yeah. As soon as I was about to talk, the camera just shut straight off. I hurried up and changed it really quick because I ain't got time. Yes. Do y'all love the yellow vibes? I only did the yellow because my computer is yellow, and like the whole little setup that I got going on right here is yellow. So what's up, dolls? Yes, I am back. I got a hair tutorial. Well, I have a hair tutorial that will be up soon because this will not be a part of the tutorial. I have these new Benefit pomade, pomade brow pomades, I guess what they call, and they sent over number 3 and number 2.5. I don't know why they know my colors. Like I use 3.5 and 4, so why would they send me? I might just use 3 because it looks like it's about to give natural vibes, okay? And that definitely is like pretty light. I'm gonna have to reach out to them like, can I get a deeper color because this is too light? And with my brow pencils, okay, my brow pencils. They don't have my logo on it yet, y'all. I'm going to order them. See how my brows look. I'm about to conceal my brows off camera so we can get started with the eyeshadow. And for concealer on my brows, before I conceal them, I'm gonna let y'all know I'm going to with my MAC Pro with concealer in the shade NC45, and then I'm also going in with 10 Deep Sand. So it took me a little minute to do my brows, but I mean, look at them. I'm going in with base number 4, no, base number 2 from Ploiise. Yes, we're gonna go in with number 2. So y'all already know me, I always apply one more coat because I feel like another coat is just the way to go and it's more smoother. So I'm just gonna apply another coat of Ploiise Base and I'm gonna come back and literally just gonna put one shadow on our lid. I'm gonna take my Morphe 504 brush, just like this. I'm going to the Vanessa by Juvias palette. Use that 6 brush. Let's see. Now we are about to get into the face. I'm about to prep my skin, Fenty Skin Moisturizer, and I'm just gonna put this off my face. I really don't want to use like anything else besides. It's simply this pore primer from a Professional or Benefit. Sorry. I'm literally going to take my Spice One, what is this? Multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade, well, in the shade Spice One. I don't know if I just said that, but I'm just wanting to correct all marks that I have on my face. All the areas that has concealer. And I'm just using those are concealed and marks are concealed. I'm gonna take 10 cents. It's basically like you put foundation, like, and then concealer on top of foundation. So it's just like what's the point? So I'm gonna take this and I'm going to blend this like I would do if it was foundation on. I'm not gonna go down the bridge of my nose just yet, only because this concealer dries fast. I'm gonna take Butterscotch from basically add it. So look, same thing I use when I use my foundation and put it on. Cool. So once we add that, we're gonna add contour. I'm going to take my ColourPop foundation stick in the shade 210C, and we're going to put it on. I'm gonna flip this, right? And I'm going to blend this brush in. I'm going to take the tip of the end of it. I'm going to pat this upwards, okay? Tapping it, and then I tap it down the bridge of the nose. I'm going to apply Sacha Buttercup. Now what I'm about to do is I'm about to powder my face with 430 my Fenty powder. The Real Technique ones. And just go over. Take 460 to bronze and just tap it. Go. Okay. So right here, this is the 8D palette, y'all. And I bronze it there first, and then I go ahead and I take these two. Well, not me just this one, but both of them, flicking the darker shade up over it, stand back and kind of flicking it. Let's do blush. I'm taking Saharan blush, and I think I want to take this pink. This pink that's right here. This orange. I'll mix all three of them. Something about black that looks so good on the eye. So I'm just gonna add black. Went ahead and smudged that black out, and I'm going to add for lips. I always use my lip liner. It's like this lip liner is everything. Like I don't use no other lip liner. Okay, yeah, this definitely is like a pale nude, but I like it. This is down face. And then what I'm about to do with down face is I'm going to take a Q-tip. Hear me out. I'm about to go to L'Oreal 2 palette and grab the first shade in there. Alright, y'all, so I went ahead and added 2 more. They may be in weird places. I was going to add one to my forehead, but let's add 2 there. And then I'm going to take this gloss from this company. It's called Tulips Gloss. It's really pretty. It's really pretty, y'all. But there's the LED lights. Add this in the center. This is J-Star gloss. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna use this product some more like that. But this lip. I got to. I don't know if I want to highlight. I'm not really feeling the highlight thing. Like the highlight thing isn't like my vibe anymore. So I think I'm gonna put highlight only on my nose, and that's about it. I think I'm gonna do that off camera, and I'm gonna switch over to flatter my hair just a little bit. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you are the one who made it to the end, thank you so much. Don't forget to go share this video. Tell your mama, your friend, your sister, everybody, okay? About this video. But I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Check the description bar. I will leave everything that I use in the description bar. And I think I said everything that I used in the video. But if not, definitely check the description bar. Let me know how you feel about the technique that I did in this video. Do you like it? I think I like it. And I probably will not be putting foundation on this because I use a lot of foundation. I use a lot of my foundation, so I don't think I will be putting any foundation on. I'll be just doing concealer, like the concealer method. I still love it.